Oh, there you go. Nice trout. Big trout. Dude, that's a honker. Here, let me get the net. That's a netter. He's good 1920.
He's a hell of a trout. That's an awesome fish for today. He came up and just like, hey, guess who was with all them ladyfish?
Oh, yeah. We were just talking about that. Dude, that's a hammer.
Oh, that is the... Oh, that's a trout.
Hey, this is Bill DeWeese with Long Strange Journey. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to Bayport as we head out this channel. And we're going to head up into the Chassahowitzka and have some fun today. So you'll notice I'm not on my boat. I have with me Bill Olson from the Vero Beach area. I know Bill from both Salt Strong and Flats Class University. And we just had a great day yesterday, Saturday, November 15th, with the Flats Class University live event at Sodium and Crystal River. We heard from some great speakers, and we learned some good information, and we got a chance to sync up face-to-face with people who interact a lot online. So we're heading out on Sunday the 16th here. We're going to head up into Chassahowitzka. We're going to explore the creeks. We're going to hit the outer islands and find out where the fish are. Hopefully you enjoy following along with us and seeing this beautiful area. We have a great day today. Cool to be on this relatively new Maverick compared to my 30-year-old Maverick, and to see the legacy that this boat manufacturer has put in over the years. I'm really super excited to be on a Maverick HPX 17 and check it out and enjoy it. And we're going to get up into the Chassahowitzka. We're going to hit the creeks. We're going to hit the bays. We're going to find that rugged structure that we love. Going to try to get on some fish. So follow along with us. As always, we appreciate your comments. Like and subscribe. Show the channel some love. It really helps us out. Thank you very much.
Yeah, there's bait. It's probably, and again, we talk about deep. 6 inches matters here. You know, if an area is 2 feet and this area is 2.5 feet, that half feet makes a big difference. It would never make that difference in Tampa, St. Pete. But here it makes a huge difference, because that's going to be where they're going to hole up while they're waiting for water. Yeah, that's it. That's the cast. So there's no such thing as a spot here, but there are high propensity locations. High percentage locations too. Ooh. Yeah. Get up in there. Wow, what a beautiful boat. How long you've had this for? How long?
I bought it brand new 2 September ago.
Wow. And to think, my boat's 30 years old and they got the same quality, right? And the whole skiff market's gone insane. There's so many boats out there now. Hey, yo, come and see me.
You want a net, or are you good?
It's a redfish. Usually that's a good thing. It's a single hook. But the water is very oxygenated and cold. What are we going to do here, buddy? Oh, he's every bit of 22, 24. All right, now we in.
You want a net?
I probably should, just to bring this to an end so we can get back to fishing. I could have netted him a second ago. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Yeah, man. Oops, I got too much line out. Give it up, monster. All right. Here we go. If you believe in the hereafter, this is what we're here after. Look, that's on the bait of the month too. I'm not a soft plastic guy, so I'm having a renaissance, as it were. What do we got here? Ooh.
24.
Yeah, he pinched tail. 24, 23. Nice.
Come on, big hot water.
Yeah, they'll take it eventually. Is he following you?
No.
Beautiful.
Hell of a view. Beautiful.
That's a perfect fish.
Why aren't we moving?
Nice work, Bill. Good boat positioning. We got 2 bills on board. Oh, be careful! Don't hurt your gill. Don't hurt your gill. I heard. Beautiful. What is that? Ooh, he's got like some kind of a. Oh, he's actively eating. Look at that little eel coming out of his mouth.
Yeah, he's eating the sand eel.
He's eating sand eels. Beautiful. All right.
Well, that explains that it probably should be on the bottom.
Yeah.
Top water ain't gonna work.
How we doing here, buddy? Didn't mean to mess up your breakfast time. Throwing some ickety soft plastic at you. Isn't it amazing how they go down to the bottom and become one with that grass? Yep. You can't even see them. He went 10 inches underwater and he's invisible. This is the bait of the month on that core.
And the core jig head.
I love this now because I can get really tight to the, and there's no exposed jig head. It's literally like these pre-rigged guys, but you rig them yourself. All right, let me put away my mess here. And mullet back there. And the reds could be all along here, but this is just an interesting location.
Do you do all your reel maintenance too?
Everything, yeah, I do it. This is the original Osprey from the 2017 pre-order. I will keep it clean. I will send it in for reel service.
There you go.
Trout him a trout.
On the mirror beam or the paddle tail?
The little
Shrimp?
no, the
The diesel kicker?
the diesel kicker.
I can't remember the name of that.
I can't save my life. Hey, help me help you. Help me help you. You're tiny. I don't want to hurt you. I just want to photograph. I'm not going to measure you because you're a little too small to matter. He hit it and came back and hit it again. Man, these guys are plump. They're like little butter balls, even the small ones. Hasta Luigi. Oh my goodness, they're not gonna starve up here. So yeah, this could cause me to have a rebirth in soft plastics. What's the third fish in the list? Is a flounder?
Yeah.
Well, what I'm gonna do for a flounder, I'll be run out to Clearwater Beach. Ooh. What's a trout doing in my redfish hole? I see a wake.
I see the wake. Oh, there it is, over there.
Ooh, he's darting off.
I did not show Grisby that one.
Oh,
That's a football going right by.
that's a snook.
Oh, that's a snook?
That's a snook.
Oh, man.
That's a 22, 23 inch snook.
Oh, you're right. They are back here.
Yeah, they are. Those little bait fish are like, what the heck?
Yeah, he comes falling out.
He comes right at him. Dadgum, they breaking our hearts today. We're in perfect position. We got our shadow behind us. What the hex?
Just a matter of time.
Oh yeah, we'll get them right. You know what? Now that we got a little bit of open water behind me, and we got snook on scene, this looks like a job for the Mirrodine. Looks like a job for the Mirrodine. But this, what's that?
I said I'm super excited to have so much pinfish now.
Oh yeah, that's just a bait attractant.
So we're expecting the big trout to come to
Oh gosh, yeah.
have a real
Field day. Bait jumping out of the way of my bait. I must have a hook hooked. I do like how these 14 MRs, I prefer, my preference is the 27 MR. I like how these 17 MRs stay higher in the water column.
Do you put the super light thin wire hooks on them, or do you leave them?
They come with them and I don't take them off because I love the black nickel hooks. But you have to use a soft rod.
Yeah.
Then you go wrangle a 25 inch snook, takes 3 hours to land. I prefer the 27 for that reason. They have a better hook. A couple of them I have changed out to inlines for usually when there's a lot of floating grass. There's 2 or 3 times a year, I don't know if you have them there, but there's 2 or 3 times a year, mainly in the summer, we have grass die off.
We never had grass until this year. So
Yeah.
now this is the first year. You got it?
That's something.
First year I'm complaining about it. What you got?
I got a trout.
Now we just gotta find that.
Better not be a ladyfish. Better not be a ladyfish.
I see spots.
I see speckle. It's a speckled ladyfish. Mirrodine doing what a Mirrodine gonna do.
God, that thing just crushes the trout.
Oh my gosh. Beautiful guy. Now we got you. All right. That's not bad.
Bad fish. He's fat. He's been eating on something.
Oh man, they wolf up here. Like you said, it's a pinfish haven. They're here the whole nature coast. Out in the middle of the open. Now again, colder water, colder air. You'll do that with 20-inch fish. Right, like we just did. They'll be all up in these bayous, sunbathing. I didn't even have the camera going. Jimmy and I have sat in these waters sometimes, and it's just stupid. I mean, it's like literally a trout every cast until you get like you're laughing and your arms are tired. It's a pretty good one. He would eat if you were hungry. I am not gonna boat flip you. I would rather lose you waiting on a net. You are badly hooked. Yeah, I think I got him hooked in the mustache. I think I got him hooked in the mustache. And I don't want to rip your lip. There we go. Beautiful. Yeah, look at that. Is that mullet? Oh yeah, he followed you up.
Followed me right in.
I saw him follow. He's a good fish, bro. I'm getting the net ready for shore.
Is it a snook? No, it's a red.
It's a nice red. We want some red. Solid.
So we're definitely on the fish now.
Yeah, I think the tide had to tick. Now you got to coax him your way with a 1,000 reel.
No, this is a 2,500.
I don't want to stab him until I see his white belly. Then I'll stab him. You want him up front or back there?
Yeah, I'm gonna take a photo of it.
Oh yeah, definitely.
That's a mid-20s.
If you were hungry, that'd be perfect eating.
Yeah. I can't take a redfish right home. We don't allow redfish on the East Coast. He is freezing.
Oh yeah, isn't that funny how cold that water is?
Cold. Man, you better not want to go swim. Horrible picture.
Snook, right? Redfish.
Going on spotlight.
Yes, sir. We knew he was up in there.
Yes, something was rooting around.
Yeah, totally. Beautiful.
Bigger than the other ones. There you go, right in the net for you, sir.
Nothing but net.
I parked them right in there.
All I had to do was sit still.
Look at that.
Rose gold. We got to get to the bronzies.
What a nice fish.
That's a beautiful fish.
Thank you for netting. Wow, he swallowed that net.
He's been over there rooting because sometimes the water ripples over the structure, but that ripple kept moving around.
Yeah.
Structure don't move.
Dang, he ain't coming off either.
Those hooks are dynamite.
More fish. I'm gonna put my glasses on for you. Did you get your lure off?
No, not yet. I'll get to him when we drift away.
Where is it? There it is.
Trying to find the barb.
There it goes. It's under his tongue.
Here you go. Oh, there you go. Nice trout. Big trout.
He hammered that.
Dude, that's a honker. Here, let me get the net. That's a netter.
He hammered that.
That's a netter.
Out of the trolling motor.
He's good 1920.
He's a hell of a trout. That's an awesome fish for today. He came up and just like, hey, guess who was with all them ladyfish?
Oh, yeah. We were just talking about that. Dude, that's a hammer.
Oh, that is the wrong. Oh,
Yeah.
trout. On the wrong lure, damn it.
Yeah, I know.
Woo, that is a beauty.
That's a stunner.
That's a beautiful fish.
That's a stunner.
He came up and whaled it too. I got to see that. Oh.
Hey, let me show you something. Lay him down. Come on the back.
Yep.
Right behind the gill
That's
plate. And there's a hard, rigid bone.
That's what
Right,
CA does
exactly.
every
You're
time.
not squeezing the trout hard. It's a hard, rigid bone, and your fingers are not in the gills.
It looks
You'll
like-
feel it right away.
Oh yeah, there it is.
Yeah,
Oh
you
my
got it,
God,
man.
That's so much simpler.
Yeah, it's and they become super docile, or
That's like
chill.
jacks. The black dots on the jacks. If you squeeze that, they shut off.
yeah. What a beauty.
Come on, buddy. You gotta figure out how to get this out of you.
Just twist it in. Go make us some more. Nice.
Ready, buddy?
No, she's gone. It's cold water, lots of oxygen. She's gone.
Damn, that was a hell of a thump.
That's
That
awesome,
was-
man. That's a.
That was. I got to watch that. I had a front row seat for that thing. That thing was like a missile. And I thought it for a split second. I thought it was going to be a ladyfish.
What you looking for?
The mulligan.
Oh, yeah.
That's what that. I was just catching on that.
Yeah.
Oh, hell with it. The hell with it. Ron?
Yes, sir.
Ladyfish?
No,
Don't feel like it.
you're like a redfish.
On the meat. Oh no, you run out
No,
of
I'm on the bait of the month. The kickers. Oh, it's a dang flounder.
No.
Dude, I got a flounder.
Is it big enough?
I don't know. What's the minimum size?
I don't know. Let's take it and get it in the boat.
I caught a flounder and I was not on the right time frame. That's the bait of the month slam.
I know. Yeah.
Dude, sign me up. I don't. We're on a moratorium, so you don't have to go home. There's another 15. 14 and a half. I gotta make sure my bait's visible, but I got a witness. I did not expect that.
No. Well, we said we felt like we might have been spooking a couple of them.
I spooked one flounder, but not in this location.
Are we on spot lock or
No, we're drift lock. Are we drifting in circles? Ooh, oh my gosh, I'm getting devoured by sparking ladyfish. just like a swarm of ladyfish.
They moved into our spot. What are you doing here? Get out.
Get the heck away. They're just loaded like for bear. Come on, there's got to be a trout over here. Away from those ladyfish. Oh my gosh, there's ladyfish over there too. Oh, it's a swarm. It's a swarm. Oh goodness, a big giant, second big red.
Another red and spook right in front of the boat?
I don't think, I don't know. Those are ladies, they're gone. Oh my gosh, look at all the lady freaking fish.
Oh my God, yes.
Holy cats, there's like 100.
They were chasing what your friend was.
Well, we shot it. I think we spooked them out, thank goodness.
Hope so.
There's a couple more there. Right there in that pocket.
Yep.
Yep. All right, I'm going to turn the boat a little bit.
Gotta get over the ladyfish to get to the redfish.
Now, one of our trips to 10,000 Islands, we were hounded. I mean, oh, look at that. I'm freaking hounded already. Come on, guys. Give us a break. I can't reel fast enough to get rid of you stink pots. Look at them. There's got to be a trout among them. I'll get closer. Oops, get in there, get in there. Oh, gosh. Look at that. This is like jacks. It's like casting into jacks. Oh, man. Look at these. These guys are voracious. Ooh. All right, so I got that lined up perfectly. There you go.
What is that bouncing back there?
I don't know. I'm worried it's ladyfish. Man, that's just thick with ladyfish. They're running around, it's like mullet. That's a redfish.
There you go.
I think. Yeah, it's a redfish. It's a rat.
What I just got, he took off.
He took.
That's a redfish. It's pulling.
All right, so we're stopping here. I got a rat. I don't care about mine.
I don't know. I don't think this is a. No, it's a red.
Yeah, he ain't coming up for air. You gotta. We both got rats.
Yeah, but doubled up.
Doubled up on rats.
All right, the fish drought is over.
Never leave fish to find fish, my friend Bill.
Broke that rule.
We broke that rule. We left fish to find fish. We found fish in the new place. Don't take my lure. Don't take my lure. Never leave fish to find fish.
You got yours on the
Twin bills, twin redfish.
Yeah. That's the title of the video.
Twin bills, twin redfish.
There's
Your thumbnail. Oh, I'm getting awfully close to the good fishing's holes.